Hello. Hi everyone. My name is Chadhan. Welcome back to my channel. And guys, welcome back to a part 2 and a really requested part 2 of like Zoom meeting look ka makeup troll. And for the first part which I created was like a typical meeting look जो कि आप चश्मा पहन के proper meeting में पहन सको. And this look is like जो Zoom meeting पे आजकल जो celebration होते हैं जो जो लॉन्ग जो डिस्टेंस पे रहते हैं उनके साथ जो सेलिब्रेशन होते हैं उसके हिसाब से आई क्रिएटेड दिस लुक एंड माय डीएम्स आर फ्लडिंग विद दिस रिक्वेस्ट सो I created like a really cool like shirt look for you guys and to get to know I created that look just keep on watching. Okay, so as usual first thing first moisturizer. So here I am having Nysa multi-purpose aloe hydration multi-purpose cream and I have bought like really cheap products for you guys that you guys can afford it. And the second one is from Boro Touch antiseptic cream with 6 skin benefits. So for like your Zoom meeting and Zoom thing you just need then like affordable products. So I bought it for you guys and aloe hydration one are just so hydrating. It just helps my skin to just wake up after washing it and just rubbing it with ice. So let's just moisturize it first. एंड मॉइस्चराइजिंग एंड स्किन केयर इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट ताकि वो बचे रहे सारे जो हार्मफुल अगर कुछ भी होगा मेकअप में तो मॉइस्चराइजर या प्राइमर सब बचा लेते हैं. सो या मॉइस्चराइज अंडर माई आईज ऑल्सो क्योंकि वो जो आती पफिनेस होती है वो क्रीम से जाती है. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस बोरो टच की एंटीसेप्टिक क्रीम एंड आई डोंट रियली नो हाउ दिस क्रीम इज बट आई होप इट just good cream to under your eyes and took the review first of my bhabhi because she used to use it when she was young और जब वो कॉलेज जाती थी तब तो applied under my eyes ताकि वो जो पफिनेस है वो जाए और थोड़ा थोड़ा मेकअप अच्छे से सेटअप हो जाए. won't use primer today. So yes, that's how my skin looks after just moisturizing and applying all the moisturizers on my face. I hope this looks quite pretty and just to give the makeup a quick go. The next step is always like if you are using primer then you can go for primer, but for me today primer is just not required. So the next like makeup product is foundation. Of course you can use any foundation. I really prefer this Masca and Lakme ke foundation cause these two suits my skin to be really honest. So I use only a half pump cause I think that's enough because it's not my filming day ka makeup. It's just a Zoom meeting makeup but I have to film this with look only for Diva Log or I think Vlogmas की एक collaboration video with Rohan. थोड़ा सा ऊपर भी लगाना है तो film collaboration video and I'm pre-filming the Diva Log and the Vlogmas in the month of August. To be really honest, like जुलाई के एंड से मैंने प्री फिल्म करना चालू कर दी. मैंने जुलाई के एंड से ही व्लॉगमस और जो दीवा व्लॉग के प्री फिल्म करना चालू कर दिया था ताकि मेरे को एंड में जाते जाते ना दिक्कत होती है, बहुत दिक्कत होती है. आई हैव गॉट इट फॉर 1 के सीरीज एंड बर्थडे सीरीज. सो मेरे को पता है कि वो मेरे को इतनी दिक्कत देगी गई थी. So okay, I've applied the foundation also and I'm like sun-kissed क्योंकि the sun is right there and just don't like just bear with me क्योंकि वो थोड़ी shadow भी आ रही होगी मुँह पे. So yeah, so opposite side में बैठते हुए I'll be applying my eyeshadow ताकि sunlight मेरे मुँह पे ना पड़े directly और आप लोग को देखे कि कौन सी eyeshadow लगा रहा. So I'll be using this palette of mine. So ये वाली जो ब्राउन वाली जो हम हमेशा लगाते हैं वो लगाएंगे फर्स्ट. सो ओके, सो लुकिंग इनटू माय कैमरा and that's how the eye looks after eyeshadow in one. So now to the other one and that cream works really well, huh? Just looking at my eyes. Okay, so I've applied the brown eyeshadow. So now I'll be applying some glitter. So I'm using this Blush News का Maybelline New York keyboard से. So just open and I'll use my finger to do it. So just this grey one, just brown and grey thing, cause I'm wearing a leopard print shirt. So yeah, so थोड़ा थोड़े लगाएंगे and थोड़ा highlighter भी लगाना है. Yup, so this I have applied my eyeshadow and that's it. If you want to apply eyeliner you can, but I won't cause सुबह सुबह मेरे बस की नहीं होती eyeliner लगाना. So that's my story. Okay, sorry. Now we'll apply a highlighter and क्योंकि थोड़ा सा चमकना भी तो चाहिए ना चेहरा, so फटाफट फिंगर पे लेते हैं eyeliner. So now we'll apply our highlighter क्योंकि थोड़ा सा चमकीला भी होना चाहिए ना. So उंगली पे लिया. Now first is under my brows, like brows के साथ शेप करोगे तो अच्छे से चमकता है. So that's really good and the camera catches the highlights really well. If you see all the actresses तो उन्होंने भर भर के shimmer और highlighter लगाया होता है with blended concealer. Somewhere around this side also, because they also deserve to shine. Okay, so this side too. Eyes के अंदर लगाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती. So yes, I think that's enough for this look. So lastly, just my statement lipsticks. So here I have the nude one, which is from Huda Beauty, if I'm not wrong. Because I've used only these three. So I have the whole set. So फटाफट lipstick लगाते हैं. Applied the nude one. Now I'll be applying the pink one, then the like what's the color? I don't know. Try the pink one. Now the last one. So yes guys, that's it for this cute makeup tutorial for your Zoom meeting, and I hope you guys are like loving my Zoom meeting looks too, and I'm loving like each and every look which I created, cause I have put in my heart and soul in each and every look, and which चाहत पर एक break लग गया, लेकिन I'll be back soon. So till then, bye. Meet you with another video.